Hello, everyone. So we just look at the next topic, which is multiples of whole numbers. Multiples. Now, multiples of a number are those numbers that can be divided by that particular number without a remainder. So, in simple form, multiples of a number are the multiplication table of that number. Multiples of a number are the multiplication table of that number. So, for example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So those are the multiples of 5, the multiplication table. Okay, so every number is the first multiple of itself. Every number is the first multiple of itself. Take note of that. So 5 is the first multiple of 5. And when you are talking about multiples of numbers are always unending. You can't get all the multiples of a particular number. So because 5, the normal times table stops at times 12. So um, but the table still continues. So you keep on 5, 60 will still be multiple of 5, 65, 70, 75, 80, and so on. You keep counting. So you can't get all the multiples of a particular number. Okay, example, list the first 10 multiples of 10. List the first 10 multiples of 10. So first 10 multiples of 10, sorry, of 9, multiples of 9. Now you should know that the multiples of 9 will just stop at 9. The first 10, meaning it will stop at 9 times 10, multiples of 9. So the first one will be 9, second one will be 18, the third one is 27, then 36, then 45, then 54, then 63, then 72, then 81, then 90, then 99. Oh, sorry, we to take the first 10 multiples. I'm just enjoying writing this thing. So we have to look at the first 10. So let's count and see how many there are. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the first 10 multiples of 9. Okay, number 2, find the sum of the first 6 multiples of 7. First 6 multiples of 7. Let's see what we have. The first 6 multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. We are taking the first 6. That will give us 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and then 42. The sum of the first 6. So the sum will be 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35 plus 42. So this will be equals to, this is 21, 21 plus 21, 42, 42 plus 28, that will give us 70, 70 plus this 105, and then 105, this is 105. That will give us 147. I believe I've done that properly. 147. Please, you can do well to cross check that. So that is all. We won't be having any example for this topic. So it's just basic things, just the multiplication table of that of numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to others. See you in our next class.